24/7 emergency locksmith services. Lockouts can happen at any time, leaving you stranded and in need of immediate assistance. That's where our emergency locksmith services come in. Our team of expert locksmiths is available 24/7 to provide emergency lockout services when you need them most. Whether you're locked out of your home, office, or car, we can help you get back inside quickly and safely. With years of experience and the latest tools and techniques, our locksmiths can quickly unlock any door without causing damage to your property. We also provide emergency lock replacement and repair services, including rekeying locks, repairing broken locks, and replacing damaged keys. We offer fast, reliable, and affordable emergency locksmith services, and we're always here to help. We're here to get you back inside quickly and safely, so you can get on with your day. Contact us today to learn more about our emergency locksmith services and how we can help you in your time of need. That's why we're committed to providing the highest level of service and support to our customers. Call +1 336 933 9448.